Electronic Hints. Heartily welcome you to know the interview questions and answers to enhancing your knowledge of buses in microprocessor. Thank you for viewing the video. Please like, share this video, subscribe this video channel and press the bell button. Receive more electronics information. Kindly suggest your valuable feedback to improve the forthcoming videos. Thank you. What are buses in the microprocessor? The buses in the microprocessor are the collections of electrical wires. What is the purpose of signals? The signals are pathways that facilitate communication to different components like the CPU, memory, input-output devices and registers. What are the signals? The signals are data signal, address signal and control signal. What are the types of buses? The types of buses are data bus, address bus and control bus. What is the function of the data bus? It transmits data between the CPU and other components including memory, input-output devices and registers. What is the length of the data bus? The length of the data bus depends on the length of the word of the microprocessor. Example, if the length of the word in the microprocessor is 8-bit, then the length of the data bus is 8. What is the type of the data bus? It is bidirectional. It is because it facilitates the flow of data from the processor to memory and output device and from memory and input device to the processor. It also transfers data between registers. What is the bus speed? The bus speed is a measure of how fast the data can be transmitted along the bus within a system. It is measured in frequency. It is expressed in megahertz. What is the data transfer rate? The data transfer rate determines how much data can be transferred simultaneously. What is the address bus? The address bus carries address information from the CPU to memory or input or output devices. It is given by m equal to 2 power n, where n equal to number of address lines and m equal to numbers of memory locations. What is the type of address bus? It is unidirectional. It is because its primary function is to transmit the address from the CPU to the memory location and input-output devices. What is the relation between the address bus and data bus? The lower order addresses is multiplexed with the data bus. The multiplexing reduces the pins of the microprocessor. What is the control bus? The control bus in a microprocessor carries control signals ensuring proper communication and coordination between the CPU, memory and input-output devices. The control signals are memory read and write, input-output read and write and opcode related. It is a bidirectional bus. Why is the control bus dedicated? The control bus is a dedicated bus because all timing signals are generated according to control signal. What is the use of buses? The buses are used to memory access, input-output operations, interrupt handling, DMA operations and control signal transfer. Include signals like read, write, in-memory and input-output. Thanks to Google and Books.